Okay, so this installation is really pretty simple. I think a lot of people are just overthinking it. The batten pocket has a Velcro closure. You insert the batten into there until you get to the first grommet, which is right here. You take your Dyneema loop, insert it through the grommet, on the back side of the batten pocket there's an opening at each grommet where you can grab the loop. You run the Dyneema loop around the batten and then run the batten through. It's really that simple. You just do that 4 times. And when you get to the end, you Velcro it shut. Bob's your uncle.